Welcome to your first training exercise, Elias.
Why do I have to do all of these stupid exercises?
The reason is that you have played drums and chopped wood without strengthening your rotor cuff muscles. Now you are injured and weak.
I'm not in the mood for it.
You will do your exercises or I will attack you with these weapons.
Okay, but I'm going to need some instruction.
You must listen to me. My training methods are unorthodox, but they produce results.
Okay, I'm ready to begin.
Excellent. I know that you will understand. Your first exercise will be to lift with your arms at 45 degrees. Very good. Next, you will pull backwards and then rotate your arms outward. Do you understand? Then you will turn around and do it the opposite direction. In this next set of exercises, you will pull your hand across your body, downwards, sideways, and upwards. Now you will take this rock and drop it and catch it with your hand perpendicular to your body. And with your hand in front of your body. Finally, you must ice your shoulder, otherwise you may cause yourself extra damage.
How do I know if I put the ice in the correct place, Daniel Tiger?
I will adjust it for you if necessary. Now that you have completed your exercises, you may run along and play.